Welcome back. This is part 2 of this first one fall boiler room match.
Someone should clean that up.
Henney thinks someone should clean this up.
See, my
Meanwhile, Rocker
boy's taking care
is
of
beating
it.
up Pedro.
Oh. Oh.
Pedro needs to do something soon.
Oh, he's clean for now. You know, might as well.
1, 2. Pedro finding something left to kick out. 1, 2.
So close. Just take our time with him.
They seem to want to break Pedro.
Time out, dude. Get him down.
Chuck Henney with a ladder. And when I'm on the ground.
Come on, you two are members of the industry. You can negotiate something. You can come back to us. And you want a raise? You want a time off? You want a
I think
vacation?
we've had enough time off.
Oh. Oh.
Ready to finish this?
What's he going for? Oh my! Pedro's done. D-U-N done. 1, 2, 3. Henney and Rocker won. They are excited. They are happy. Pedro looks dead.